We've had some stunning weather in England this week, so I wanted to take the CLA45s out for a drive with you guys. The thing I love about this car is its split personality. First, let's have a nice chilled drive in comfort mode. I'm just cruising here enjoying the lovely scenery. But now, let's flip it into race mode and have some real fun. My favourite thing to do in this car is drive with the paddles in manual mode. We can't take the car out on a day like this without stopping just to admire how stunning it looks. I honestly think the CLA45s is one of the most gorgeous AMGs ever made. The front of the car is so mean, and then there's the coupe side profile, and of course the quad tailpipes at the back. also sounds great too, thanks to some modifications that I did at PCW Exhausts. If you want to see more on my exhaust mod, you can watch this video here on screen. Thank you so much for watching guys, I'll see you next time.